here for a historical moment.
4 drones are going to fly out about 4 kilometers. They're going to engage a 3-tank convoy,
allowing for multiple vehicles to hit multiple targets simultaneously.
It's such a technological leap that, I mean, it's like going from the Wright brothers to space in 60 years.
I'm not talking just Army or Navy or Air Force. Across all services, our operating system allows for that ease of trainability, ease of flight, and just, train once and you're ready to go.
I got you, lad.
We finally have the technology to make this affordable, and so they can be in every warfighter's hands. So you can make any warfighter an absolute deadly and lethal element.
We're taking the next level of autonomy, right? You've got one operator in the field operating many things. We're here to save some lives, right? We're putting capabilities in the hands of the warfighter.
We now have visual on target.
Instead of one person to one drone, you've got one operator to many.
Once the 3 drones got their pixel lock, they went in and did 3 simultaneous strikes.
That allows other people around them on their team to continue to fight on the ground while they're given air support.
It's massively important. Something like that is something that's never been done in history before. It just goes to show the technological prowess of a country like America. That's incredible. It's absolutely incredible.